2 drops of this in your ears and 97% of your hearing recovers. According to doctors, one of the primary causes for issues with hearing is the aging process, and a lot of elderly people are experiencing auditory problems. However, today many people are facing with problems with hearing, regardless of the age, sex, or race. It is fact that loss of hearing significantly impedes the ability to function normally and to complete the tasks on daily basis. But still, the hearing may complicate the life to really high extent. For instance, individuals who have issues with hearing often are facing with various problems and unpleasant situations at work. Moreover, hearing problems sometimes may put your life at risk, as you will not be able to hear the horns of vehicles while you are driving, and particularly when you are walking. When it comes to treatment of this medical condition, in the pharmacies you can find many different commercial treatments and remedies, which contain chemicals and are not quite efficient. In today's article we are going to present you recipe for completely natural remedy that substantially will recover your hearing ability and also will reduce the hearing issues. The best part is that this remedy was proved to be efficient and has excellent results even at people who are 80 or 90 years old. In fact, some people consider that this combination is able to recover your hearing for up to 97%. This remedy is very easy and simple for preparation, and you will need ingredients that you probably have in your kitchen. It is considered that garlic is one of the healthiest foods on the planet. It is used in numerous dishes, but besides in kitchen it often is used for treatment of various health ailments due to its powerful medicinal properties. This is how to use this plant and recover your hearing. Ingredients: 3 garlic cloves, olive oil, cotton or gauze dropper. Preparation. First step is to peel the garlic cloves and wash them well. After that, press them firmly in order to extract the juice and try to get as much juice as possible. Next step is to mix the garlic juice with the olive oil and pour the resulted mixture in a dropper. Use. Carefully pour 3-4 drops of this remedy in your ear. Then, make sure to close the ear with cotton or gauze. It is highly recommended to lie down for some time and thus to help the oil penetrate deeply into your ear. You will experience remarkable effects very soon. You definitely will be amazed by the incredible effects of this remedy. Thank you for watching.